experiencing an issue with my microwave. Kind of got a mind of its own right now for some reason. Let's take a look at it. $25, $6. I think it's trying to tell me lottery numbers, but I'm not quite sure. Watch, as you can see, there is no one controlling this thing, okay? It always tries to bake 2.5 ounces, 6 seconds. Sometimes it'll do 4 seconds, sometimes it'll do 10 seconds. I have no idea what the hell's going on here, but let's look at this again. Tell me something, man. What do these numbers mean? Are you done? Do you not want to do this anymore? One more time. Just do it one more time. All right. 2.5. 6 seconds. And that is weird.